Okay, I'm going to try out this Daggerfish reel that I bought online, and I'm going to try it out here and see if I can catch a fish. So it's kind of cool. I bought it with a leather cover, so you can kind of see it covers up the line here. And then inside I have my tackle. So it's got a little cork that holds everything in. Let's see, I packed everything in probably too tight, so now I'm gonna have to that works. So I have a bobber and a bunch of other hooks and stuff, and then in the top I have even more hooks. It came with, I think, 8-pound test on it, maybe 9. Maybe not 9. So I'm gonna put my hook and sinker and all that stuff on here. All right. I'm going to rig it up and get back to you. What I've done is I've got a night crawler on, my sinker, and I have a pretty big depth bobber. I'm going to try to get it cast out, and I've never tried this before, so I'm going to back up and see if I can't get it out into there a bit. Yeah, I'm doing a big glide. Oh, got caught in the thing. Let's try. Oh, there goes my line. Okay, here we go. Don't take some practice. Didn't get very far. Okay, I'm going to try an alternative method they say to use. So they say to bunch up everything you have together. I'll do all this and see if I can't just throw it out like this. Okay, here we go. Actually, that was really good. I just have a little bit too much sinker on there, it looks like. Sinks my whole body. Oh, I got something already. I think. I think I just got a stick. No, I got a fish. First cast, I got a fish. That's so weird. I thought my bobber went down because the sinker was too small. But I actually caught a fish. Okay, let's reel it in again. That's too crazy. First attempt. There it is. I caught a trout on my very first cast. That was crazy. Okay. Now I gotta get this thing out. I think I'm gonna have to... Nope, I got it. Oh my gosh, look what else this thing ate. Look at that. I just pulled that out of it. Weird. Okay. Okay, I gotta reset everything else up and try again. So I just saw a pretty nice bass in here. So I just rigged up with a night crawler only and a hook. So we're gonna see if I can try to catch it. And there's a bunch of other fish out here hitting the surface. So we'll see what happens. Wow, that thing casts pretty good. I got it out. I don't know if you could see where the water is going. Now I'm just kind of waiting until the line moves and we'll see what happens. Yeah, all right. So I'm just going to bring in the worm a little bit at a time and just see what happens. And just kind of let it. The bass I saw was right up against this wall. Okay, here we go. Okay, I got the bobber casted out. I'll see if I can hone in on it. Okay, let's see if I can set you guys up to see it. So just as I was trying, I got a fish before I could even do anything. So I'll bring it in. That didn't take long. A little fast, little sucker. Let's see how it goes. I was trying to move this so you could see the bobber, and I looked and the bobber's gone and the line's starting to go up. All right. This is too easy. There it is. Pretty cool. This guy wasn't hooked bad either, so I'm going to go ahead and just take the hook out. He should be free. He didn't swallow this hook at all. There we go. And off he goes. That's cool. All right, I'm going to try it again. Try again. Not a very good cast that time. I'm going to try it. There's another method that someone else did where they just cast it out, like they put their thumb on it and they just cast it out. Yeah, I don't like that. I like the way I did it before, so I'm going to do it that way. Get a much better cast. So I think the best way that I'm finding is to just take the line, the hook, and the bobber together and just throw it. Oh yeah, you get it way out there. I'm at least casting 15, I would say maybe 10 yards. So that's pretty good. And it's clearly out far enough. And the fish are all right in here just boiling. I don't know how well you can see it. Hopefully you can see the fish just boiling, hitting the surface. I don't know if you can see the bobber. Yeah, they're just all over in here, so won't be long before they find it. Wow, they're just all over. They're actually bumping into the bobber. That's insane. It's hard to tell how well you can see it because it's getting kind of dark now. But it's been pretty cool. Okay. There's fish hitting right by my bobber all over. They're just boiling the water up right now. We'll see. I'll give it a little tap. I'm hoping that by showing you the water, you can kind of see where I'm casting and stuff. But this may not be great view. But this is fun. So here we go. Yeah, that's perfect. I don't know if you could see where it splashed down. I'm already getting a bite. Something got it immediately. We got it. I don't know if I got it, but yep, they got a fish. I think. Oh, maybe I don't. I think you let go. Oh, so close. Something was taking it. This is a good way. I'm going to try this again. Just a worm. I have a whole night crawler on, you can see. Alright, here's my cast again. Yeah, I'm getting it out there pretty good. Okay, the ducks think there's food, but they're wrong. I don't want them to get this. Get out of here, ducks. You're messing up my fishing. Okay, I'm going to try again. I'll just reel it in slow again to see if that can bring up something. Nope. I'm just going to reel it in as fast as I can now. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, the fish are back after the being disturbed. Okay, I'll retrieve it in. Let it bring it in, let it drop. Whoa, something took it. Stripping line. Stripping line. Okay, let's hope I got it. I think I got it. Yep. Maybe. Yep. I got it. Come on, ducks, get out of here. Ooh, he's fighting pretty good. Fighting pretty good. Whoa. I don't know if you can. He's right up against the wall. I'm about to land him. It's a better one. Oh, he threw off my worm. And he swallowed the hook. So I think this is another one I'm going to wind up keeping. Oh, wait. No, he didn't. He didn't swallow the hook. Just caught him in the edge. That's perfect. So this is the guy I caught. There he goes. Oh, jeez. Wow. Look at me. That was probably a good, I would say, maybe 15 yards. That's it. Spend the ticket. So I really enjoyed using that Daggerfish fishing reel, primitive fishing. I think I heard some people, I did a lot of reading on it, and not reading, but watching YouTube on different people using that reel plus others like it that were, I guess they call them hobo reels or something like that. Anyway, it was way more fun than I anticipated. Uh, it it started off a little sketchy with my first two casts where I wrapped myself in the line and I hit the fence as I was casting over. But what I found was trying to be real fancy kind of backfired. Just lobbing it out there with my hand really made a big difference. And I I was casting just in the perfect spots at that particular park. You could sorry about the background noise. There was a party going on there, but hey, it's when I could do the videoing. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll put a link to the Daggerfish stuff in the, if you're watching this, in the description. Um, it's pretty fun. I got some new adventures planned now for it. I know this little place in Idaho near where I live where there are a bunch of red band trout in these really small little creeks, and it's a blast catching them. And so in that case, I'm going to try something different. I might use worms again, but I actually think I might try some woolly buggers and some flies, just mix it up a little bit. All I could tell you is I was really happy with the results. Very, very fun. And the fish, I could feel them fight, but it there were times, that's the one thing I have to learn yet, is getting the sensitivity of knowing when there's a fish on, and sometimes it just felt like could have been a stick, but then I could feel the fish kind of rolling and stuff, and then I realized I had a fish on. But again, that's just with practice. But casting, no problem. And reeling, just kind of held the line here and reeled this way, and as long as I prevented the line from wrapping too far down the handle, uh it was piece of cake. It was really, really fun. So like I said, I got some plans, so hopefully I'll record them and share them with you. Thanks.